Summer Teacher 7, Mr. Berry here. Today we're going to be looking at an unboxing and some of the specifications and first really reactions to an HP laptop, and I'll share all the specifications with you in this video and see whether I recommend it or not. So let's take a look at this laptop, you and I. Come on. This is an HP 16 and here's the model number. For the product name we have HP Envy Laptop 16-H1XXX. And for the product number, we have 7Z0P3UA pound ABA. And the processor that comes with is the 13th generation Core i9 processor, the 13900H series. Total memory is 64 gigabytes. That's your RAM. And for the hard drive space, you have a 4 terabyte solid state drive. I must say that this HP Envy 16-inch laptop with touchscreen has exceeded all my expectations. This laptop is an absolute powerhouse and I couldn't be happier with my investment. First and foremost, the Core i9 13900H processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU make this laptop an absolute gaming beast. It handles both very demanding games and video editing with ease, delivering smooth and immersive graphics. In fact, I'm creating this video with it right now. The 64GB DDR5 RAM ensures that multitasking is a breeze, and I can run several resource-intensive applications simultaneously without any lags. On the left-hand side, we see a USB-A 3.1 port. Next to it is the headphone and microphone combo jack, and then in front of that is the media card reader. On the right hand side we see two USB-C ports and then an HDMI 2.1 port for video output, and then we also have the USB-A port, and behind that we have an AC smart pin. It also comes with a 4 terabyte SSD drive that's not only massive, but is also incredibly fast, significantly reducing loading times and improving overall system performance. I have never experienced such lightning fast data access on a laptop before. The backlit keyboard is a joy to type on, especially in the low light conditions of my office. And the B&O audio system produces stunning sound quality. The quad speakers on this laptop create an immersive audio experience that enhances both gaming and multimedia consumption. Plus, it comes with a generous 32GB USB card, which I use to actually move many of my files from my old computer to this new laptop. The wireless communication standard is the 802.11ax. The 16-inch WQXGA touchscreen display is a visual delight with colors that are very vibrant, and the touchscreen functionality adds an extra layer of convenience for creative tasks and presentations. The 5-megapixel camera is a great addition for video conferencing, and the image quality is crystal clear as you've seen in this video. This laptop tends to run very quietly for having such a high-end video card such as the RTX 4060. In fact, here is the sound of the fans running as I edit this video and run Minecraft in the background. Windows 11 is a seamless fit for this laptop, offering a modern and intuitive user experience. It takes full advantage of the laptop's hardware capabilities and offers a range of productivity features. Lastly, the sleek silver design is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also very durable. It feels very premium and solid in my hands, making a great laptop for both business meetings and gaming sessions. In summary, the HP Envy 16 touchscreen business gaming computer is an absolute powerhouse. Whether you're a professional looking for a productivity workhorse or a gamer in search of an exceptional gaming experience, this laptop has got you covered. It's worth every penny, and I couldn't be happier with my purchase. I actually highly recommend it. If there's anything that I didn't cover to your satisfaction, please leave it down in the comments. I'll be sure to answer it completely there. Remember, this is only the very first day that I've had this laptop, so this is just a first impressions of this HP Envy laptop. Hey, so if you like these types of videos, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have an idea or question for a future video, or if you have a question about this laptop here. And if you haven't done so already, I hope you do subscribe to my channel, Sound Teacher 7. All right, well, I wish to say thank you to everyone who's watched the video to the end, and you all have a very good day. Bye-bye.